What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Xman & Co. Today we're going to do this Tomahawk in an offset barrel smoker. Stay tuned. You might ask yourself, why Tomahawk ribeye steak? Well, first of all guys, this beautiful bone brings lots of flavors to this ribeye steak over here. Do we need to pay for this big piece of bone? No. Is it cool? Yes. Let's get right into it, spice this big boy. At the moment, we're going to keep this plain and simple. Rock salt, grounded pepper, and some garlic powder. That's what we're going to do. Very simple today. Right guys, first of all, we're going to put some olive oil on there. This is our sticking agent. There you go. I put it everywhere. Make sure that our salt, all of that's going to stick to this piece of meat. Some rock salt. Get that rock salt in there. And some pepper. I'm quite liberal with it, as it is a big piece of meat. Look at that. There you go. A little bit of patting. Do the same on the other side. Don't be shy at all. There we go. A little bit of patting. Fantastic. We're going to utilize all of this as well. We're going to rest that for about 20-30 minutes. Let's see our smoker here. We're looking for smoking temperature 275 Fahrenheit, around about 135 degrees Celsius for local guys. Let's open this bad boy. I'll leave it in the description below. I've got some hickory wood chips. We're going to add that for some more flavor. Let's put the thermometer in the thickest part of the meat. Basically in this piece, it's anywhere. We're going to go with that. Right, so I'm going to place it just here where the most smoke's going to come out. I reckon it's going to take hour 20 around there. We'll keep tabs on it. And during that time, we're going to have something small to drink. And we also, don't forget, going to add some wood chips on this side of the smoker. So this side's our firebox. We're going to keep on adding to that to make sure we get the right temperature on the main barrel. We're going to turn this Tomahawk steak at an internal temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to want to get to 120 eventually. And that's when we're going to move this Tomahawk steak to the plate. As you can see guys, we are 2 degrees Fahrenheit from 80. It's been about 55 minutes now on the one side. Let's have a look what it looks like. Let's open this baby up. Wow, look at that. Take a nice glance at that piece over there. That's beautiful, eh? Let's turn this bad boy. Look at that. Have a nice look. I reckon another half an hour or so max, we'll have our 120 internal temp. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. Hey, look at this big piece of meat. Look there. Let's remove this probe. What a beautiful piece of Tomahawk steak. Guys, what we're going to do, we're going to rest this Tomahawk steak for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to set up our skillet with some oil in there. We're going to sear it for 30 seconds aside. And then the moment we've all been waiting for, we're going to dig into this beautiful cut of meat. Some olive oil. Beautiful. So we're going to do this for 30 seconds. Going to give it a nice crust on the outside. Okay, let's do the other side. I'm getting excited about this. There we go. I'm just going to do a little bit on the fat side. Fantastic, let's do that. Right, let's cut this baby up. You ready for this, guys? Look at that, eh? Beautiful. Look there. Okay, let's do this. What do we have there? This is fantastic. Look at that, guys. That's a medium rare, smoked reverse sear. Beautiful. Look at that. Right. Let's cut this baby up. And it's so soft. Look at that. There's some thin pieces that you can use in a sandwich. Look there. Thicker pieces. Shall we taste this guy? Just want to take this in. Guys, this is amazing. The smokiness is definitely coming through. We've done this with hickory chips. Fantastic. I mean, have a nice look at that. Medium rare. Hey? This is a beautiful piece of meat. Tomahawk steak. Reverse sear, smoked initially. 220 Fahrenheit internal. This is really, what a beautiful piece of cut. Shall we give some to the dogs? Shiva, Jackie, Luke, Zara, Storm, come. Zara, Jan, 2, 3. 3. Storm, sit. 3. Shiva, sit. 2, 3. 3. Thanks, guys. If you like what you're doing here, like, share, subscribe, enable those notifications. Click on that bell if you like what we're doing here so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Comment below. Let us know what you think about this video and what you would like in the future. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Cheers.